Shalom and good morning, everyone. I'd like to show you my favorite Bible app for those that are not technically inclined. I'm on Android phone. It doesn't matter what kind of Android phone you use. This should be the same on all. I want to come to the Play Store. And at the top, I want to search. I'm going to search for the Bible. And then I'm going to search for the YouVersion Bible app. That's my favorite. And go ahead and hit install. When you first open up the app, it's going to look like this. How to use it is I went ahead and registered, but you don't have to. You can come down here to the very bottom where it says Home, Bible, Plans, Discover, More. Choose the Bible. Then up top you see where it says Matthew 1. That's where you choose the books of the Bible. And if you're brand new and you're just starting out, I highly recommend you starting here in John. Off to the right of John 1 is CSB. Tap there and it'll give you the different translations. There's a whole lot of them. For me, what spoke the most when I first started doing this was the Common English Bible. That was the one I could relate to, but I recommend that you just start reading and listening. And some of these you can see that has the little speaker sound. You can listen to audio.
The Gospel according to John, chapter 1. In the beginning was the Word.
And you can read along as you're hearing it. I hope this is a blessing to you, and have a good day.